Hello, students. Welcome to the School of Anatomy. Introducing the brand new YouTube channel, School of Anatomy. This channel is decided to learning all about the human body, from the basics of anatomy to more advanced topics. In this channel, video series labeling the main anatomical subdivisions such as gross anatomy, embryology, and histology will be explained. In the gross anatomy series, we will address the macroscopic anatomy of our body in major regions such as thorax, abdomen, back, lower and upper extremities, head, neck, pelvis, and perineum. In the embryology, also known as developmental anatomy video series, we will address general and system-based embryology. In the histology part video series, we will address microanatomy of cells, tissues, and organs. We will cover everything from the basics of anatomy to complex medical procedures with assessments and supportive worksheets followed by a free certification. Our team of experienced educators will guide you through each video, breaking down complex concepts into easy to understand explanations. Whether you are medical students, healthcare professionals, or just someone with a general interest in anatomy, our channel is here to provide you with exciting, engaging, and informative content. So subscribe now to join our community and start exploring the fascinating world of the human body.